Reading about hacking won't make you a hacker. Doing it will. Today, I'll show you how to build your own cybersecurity home lab, a safe, free playground on your own computer where you can attack and defend without breaking the law or your real machine. Here's the plan. Why a home lab is the fastest way to learn. What hardware and software you actually need. How to build and isolate your virtual network. And how to start attacking and defending inside it. Let's build. Here's the core idea. You learn security by breaking things in a place where breaking things is safe. A home lab is exactly that place. First, why bother? Certificates and videos teach you concepts. A lab teaches you skills. In your own lab, you can run real attack tools, watch what they do, and see how defenses catch them. You build muscle memory that employers actually pay for. And because it's isolated, you can make mistakes freely. That's where the real learning happens. Second, what you need. Good news. Probably just the computer you already have. Aim for at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and some free disk space. You'll need virtualization software, called a hypervisor, which is free. And you'll need operating system images, also free to download. No expensive hardware required. Third, install your hypervisor. This is the program that runs other computers inside your computer as virtual machines. VirtualBox is completely free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. VMware Workstation Player is another solid free option. Install one, and you're ready to create machines. Fourth, build 3 virtual machines. 1. An attacker box. Kali Linux comes loaded with security tools. 2. A victim box. A deliberately vulnerable system like Metasploitable, built for practice. 3 is optional. A normal system to defend. Download the images, create the VMs, and you have a whole network on one laptop. Fifth, and this is critical, isolate the lab. In your hypervisor's network settings, use host-only or internal networking. This keeps your vulnerable machines talking only to each other, never to the real internet or your home network. Never expose a deliberately vulnerable machine to the open internet. Isolation keeps your experiments legal and safe. Sixth, take snapshots. A snapshot saves the exact state of a machine. Break something, run malware, completely wreck the system, then roll back to the snapshot in seconds. It's the safety net that lets you experiment fearlessly. Seventh, the fun part. Use it. Start simple. Scan your victim machine to find open services. Try a known exploit from your Kali box against a vulnerability. Then switch hats. Watch the logs on the victim, and learn to spot the attack you just ran. Attacking teaches you how defenders think, and defending teaches you how attackers move. So here's your weekend plan. Download VirtualBox. Grab the Kali and Metasploitable images. Create both virtual machines. Set the network to host only. Take a clean snapshot of each. Then run your very first scan. Do that, and you've gone from watching to doing. Remember this. Anyone can watch a tutorial. The people who get hired are the ones who built something, broke it, and fixed it. Your home lab is where that happens. If you want a step-by-step build video for each of these machines, subscribe to CyberStrategics. I teach practical, hands-on cybersecurity every single day, and your lab is waiting.